Hello and welcome to Wyndham Bonnet Creek here in Lake Buena Vista outside Orlando, Florida. This video is to talk about the accommodations that we have here at our one-bedroom vacation home here at Bonnet Creek. Of course, we'll start with the lanai out here. Always nice to wake up and step outside the door right there and come out here and take in the view, even though it's just a parking lot. Still a nice view nonetheless. Beautiful sunny day compared to yesterday coming down here. It's all foggy yesterday. Today is nice clear day. Temperatures are about mid-50s right now. And this is what we get to enjoy for the next 3 or 4 days while we are down here in Florida, away from the cold. So here we go on the tour of the video, or a tour of the room in this video. Welcome to our vacation home for the next week. Again, it is a one-bedroom townhome, our vacation home. Here's our living accommodations here, our front room. Our washer is running. Sorry for the noise in the background. Our washer is running. Yep, we have a washer and dryer to do our laundry. No our shoes. Dining area with a nice overhead light fixture. Pretty cool. Our kitchen, full-size kitchen. We actually are in a presidential reserve suite, so we get a nicer kitchen like this guy right here with this nice countertop and cabinetry. Your typical apartment style type of refrigerator and freezer. We got a few things here. We got to pick up a few more things. And your timeshares come with your typical accommodations to cook. So a few mixing bowls, a measuring cup. I don't think there's anything up here. Nope, nothing up here. Nothing up here. Drinkware, wine glasses, tumblers. Cups and platewares and dishes and bowls. Saucers, more cups and bowls. Of course, get yourself a mixer, coffee maker. Of course, the resort comes with accommodations for hot beverages right here. This is our beverages here that we picked up on the way down here. our snacks. Of course, Nora's favorite, ramen noodles. Paper towel, which is in the other room right now, being used. 2-bowl sink, washer and dryer, cutlery, cutting board and cooking towels. And that is pretty much it when it comes to what is offered here in the one bedroom. Again, we do have a washer and dryer to do our laundry while we're here, which is always nice to have. That means you don't have to have as many clothing articles on you. And that is it. Nice big TV, ceiling fan light. And get to open up the curtain, unlock the door, step outside to this lanai and take in the view, which again is just a parking lot, but still it's really nice view, well landscaped. I can spend some time out here, we will, just soaking it up. Hopefully it starts warming up a little bit this week, we'll see. But from us being from Indiana, 55 degrees in Florida feels pretty good. Have a wonderful day. See you on the next video.